hope you're all okay. Today I'm making very delicious vanilla cake in a cup. So to make vanilla cake, we need 5 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons milk, half teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence. So let's get started. So to make vanilla cake in a cup, we need normal teacup. So in a cup, first we add dry ingredients, flour, now we add sugar, baking powder. Now mix it well with powder. Okay, it's done. Now we add wet ingredients, vegetable oil. Now mix it well. Now in this stage we add 2 tablespoons milk. Now again we add 2 tablespoons milk, essence, and now mix it well. So the batter is ready. Now clean the edges of the cup. Okay, it's done. So here I'm using Oreo biscuit. It's optional. You can also use Pringles. Okay, it's done. Now microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds.